Welcome to the Xylab 1 eDiscovery Legal Review Onboarding Tutorial, Introduction to Document Tagging. Xylab's intuitive interfaces make the tagging process more efficient and consistent. Upon launching the document viewer, the document image is in the center of the screen and informational and action panels are on the left and right. On the left-hand side are the email conversation threads, the document family, and document properties. More information on these items can be found in the Document Viewer tutorial. On the right-hand side is the tagging palette containing the available tags for review and the scope settings which allow you to tag all or part of email conversations, families and attachments, or duplicates with the same tags. Available tags depend on the legal review template used for creating the matter and may vary depending upon your use case. To apply a tag to the document, simply click on the tag or use the keyboard shortcut keys designated on the tag. For example, responsive is Shift+R, not responsive is Shift+N. Once applied, the tag will appear at the top of the document. You can remove the tag by clicking on the X. Parent tags provide efficiency in tagging by hiding children and/or subtags until such time as a parent tag is selected by a reviewer. By hiding these subtags, the tagging palette is less crowded and allows the reviewers to quickly assess the most relevant tags. In this example, users are forced to select the parent tag responsive before they can apply the subtags issues, hot document, privileged, potentially privileged, or confidential. Xylab's smart tagging functionality enforces the tagging rules that have been established for the matter. For example, a document cannot be tagged as both responsive and not responsive. In some instances, the user will receive an error detailing a tagging conflict. Once the document has been tagged, select Next in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to advance to the next document in your review. The Previous Tag option allows you to apply the same tag values from the previous document. The ability to apply tags to conversation threads, family groups, and duplicates ensures that all documents are consistently coded and saves time by eliminating the need to review each document individually. However, it is imperative that the reviewer have a clear understanding of how the Xylab scope settings work. The Documents in Scope section defines the number of documents that the selected tag will be applied to. Let's take a look at how the Documents in Scope number changes depending upon the scope option selected. Under the Email Conversation options, users can tag various aspects of an email and its associated conversation thread. The conversation thread can be viewed through the conversation panel on the left. Select None to apply a tag to only the email being displayed in the document viewer. Notice the Documents in Scope is showing that only one document will be tagged. By selecting the current branch, all emails and their attachments within the same email chain would be tagged, including emails that were sent or received prior to or subsequent to that email. For this email, the reviewer would be applying the same tag to the email in the document viewer as well as the 4 emails within the current branch for a total of 5 documents in scope. The entire conversation option allows reviewers to tag all emails and their attachments in the email thread, including those forwarded outside the original email chain. For example, when someone starts a new email conversation by forwarding an email from an existing email thread. For this email, the reviewer would be applying the same tag to the email in the document viewer, as well as the additional 22 emails and their attachments within the entire conversation for a total of 23 documents in scope. In addition to tagging email conversations, users can tag document family members or attachments under the Family Scope settings. Family associations are shown in the Document Family panel on the left. By selecting None, no attachments will be tagged. By selecting Children, tagging will apply to only the displayed email and its direct attachments, whereas Entire Family would apply tagging to the entire email family and all of its attachments. For example, if an email with attachments is attached to another email with its own attachments, the Entire Family option would apply the tag to not only the displayed email and its attachments, but the parent email and all of its attachments as well. When there are multiple copies of the same document being viewed, the Duplicates option will be displayed under the Scope settings where the reviewer can consistently tag all duplicates. For this particular document, the document being viewed, as well as one duplicate, can be coded with the same tag. For further information on Xylab's document tagging, please visit the Zilab Help and Support site at help.zilab.com.